Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change background and effect on Zoom in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tech Team. So let's go. For this, you have to open your Zoom. After opening your Zoom workplace, you can see here a settings icon. You have to press on it. Now you can see here background and effects. Go for it. Now here you can see video, virtual backgrounds, avatars, video filters, etc. You can choose one of them which you like. You can change your avatars. So this is how you can change background and effect on Zoom in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.